Kia ora e te iwi. Nau mai hoki mai ki te tōna mana haupoi Māori o te taurua mano rua tekau mārima. So out here today we have the matchup between Waikato and Tāmaki Makaurau, semi-final 2 of 2. Kia ora, my name's Te Oranga. I'm a Waiariki boy myself. I played for Waikato last year, but had to go home. And my partner here.
Kia ora whanau, it's Tracy Edmonds here. Stalwart, old person, all of the above, in terms of Māori hockey. Looking forward to today's match. Got any idea who you'd like to be playing in the final tomorrow there, Te Oranga?
Oh, it's a tough one, because knowing from our last year's champions, Tāmaki, very strong side there, and we've also got the Waikato boys. They won in the year before in Palmerston North, and they're still a strong side, that lot. But it looks like we'll be going into the haka at the moment, so we'll have a good listen to this one. Yes, that was a nice set tone for the game. Surprised Tāmaki didn't come with a bit of a comeback little haka there.
A few players featuring out here today, Te Oranga, in terms of our top athletes in this space. In the Tāmaki space we've got 5 or 6, maybe 7. And in Waikato we've got 5 or 6 as well, so it's going to be some good matchups out there. Great to see Billy Muskimen back on the pitch for Waikato, looking out for number 6 there today. And it's going to be exciting to watch the 2 kake boys do some connections as they did yesterday. It was quite exciting to watch that, wasn't it? So we've got Jacob Kake and Mark Kake there. And I see that young Jordan Thomas is back in the mix this year.
Yeah, he looks like he's running the team this year. He's got the captain band on, so he's holding it down for their team today.
Does that necessarily mean that they're running the team?
True there. And there we've got Daniel Keane playing for Waikato this year. I know he's a Tāmaki boy, that fella.
I see that we've got Akiwa Tiahoa, originally from the Waiariki region, from Tāne out there playing as well. And the match is underway. It's going to be very exciting.
A tackle there by Jake Balkaki. Bit of wheels there. Oh, not quite for Ben Cooper.
See that Quentin Smith's back again, featuring for Tāmaki.
Yep.
He's been up and down on the development side, or the B team as they call it, Tāmaki B. He's back sitting up in the A side. I see that was your older brother out there playing this year there, Te Oranga.
Oh, yeah.
Moved some allegiances as well, I see.
Yeah, playing for the Tāmaki side this year. Playing against his old team, or Waikato. So it'll probably be a good game for him.
Peter was in the winning side 2 years ago with Waikato Maniapoto.
Yes, in the Palmerston North tournament. Yeah, they had a really good tournament that year.
Nice outletting there. Nice and calm and patient.
Timon Iverson.
Only one Iverson on the pitch this year, just Taimana, no older brother and twin brother.
Yeah, well, they've gone overseas. The other two, they've gone to just kind of have a bit of a holiday. Surprised to see there's only one Iverson out there.
It's good to see they're still representing, eh?
Yes, yes.
Number 14, Mitch Murray on the ball there, just giving it up to the Waikato defence, to Billy McSkinner.
And got Carter Davies on their ball, finding it onto the outside. It's an unlucky mistrap there by Billy McSkimmins.
Just nice being able to find that pass there and that outlet and moving the ball across to the right.
Yes. Oh, and there we go.
Best penalty corner. What do you reckon is going to happen here, Tioranga?
Well, I don't know, because they got quite a lot of combinations in this Tāmaki side. They know which one they're going to take, straight flick, or maybe a deflection even. This Waikato defensive side still pretty strong. They got some good runners, and we've got Flynn Krofsky in the goal this year, because Callum Grassick just got out of hospital, so he's still recovering. So they're bringing in the young guns this year.
Well, we wish him the fastest recovery.
Yes, yes. Egg there. Oh, saved by the goalie there. Still in play.
Looking for a free hit, not given.
Good defense by the Waikato side.
Interesting call. Ball over the baseline. Intentional, possibly.
That's a tough one to call, because you don't know if it's intentional or if it's just a little tap just out onto the baseline. But here we go, another PC for the Tāmaki boys. We'll see here. Oh, not quite. It's unfortunate.
Jacob Kaki at the top with Mitch Murray. Let's see which bracket it goes to. Good save.
Great save. Oh, we got Liam on the ball. It's a little bit dangerous in there.
Liam's younger brother's not playing here this year.
Looks like we got Tane Cooney just on the camera there, getting ready to come on. He's quite a fast guy, that fella, old Tane Cooney.
You've had to chase him a few times, have you?
Yes, yes. Oh, great pickup.
Unfortunately, just a little bit of danger created in that space. Dealt with very well by Tāmaki.
And again, got Taimana on the ball. Slowly looking for something. And Mercer Davis has been brought up to the A's this year.
Yes, and older brother Harrison is playing in the Bs this year.
Yes, yep.
It's good to see whānau all playing together, isn't it, Toyota?
Yeah, all the time. We go at the T spot. Good little play. Can they get it here? Can they get it here? Oh, good defense.
See, Taimana's a little bit upset about what he did just in that space there.
Yes.
You can always tell with Taimana, he always puts his hand on his head.
Yeah, yeah. I think that was Michael Wolf with the tackle, that one. Yeah. A little bit of shouldering going on today. It's going to be a heated game today.
I'm glad you call it shouldering. Yeah, Tioranga, I thought it was just a little bit of physical play. You know, trying to adapt that language in those spaces.
Yeah, yeah. Good intercept there. Here we go.
And our officials on the match, we've got Vicky Allen down there in the bright pink. One of the most experienced umpires here from the far north, from Taitokerau. And I'm not sure who she's partnering with today.
It's a loose ball.
With Sam Richmond from Waiariki.
Out into space. Well, this Waikato side's doing pretty good so far in this tournament. They've made it to semis after losing Dylan Thomas and Nick Parata. They're not out there this year. It's quite a big loss, but they're still holding it down really good, this Waikato team. There's a chance for Waikato. Ben Cooper. Ben Cooper with the shot.
Been given the opportunity to get the shot away. A little bit of fumbling in there. Turnover ball.
How unfortunate. Yeah, there, Ben Cooper. Last year in high school, I believe. Really strong striker, that guy. Yeah, I'd like to see what he has for the future. Again, Tāmaki with the ball again. Backing around, looking for an open gap. Tane Kearney on the ball. Getting into the circle. Shot. Saved by the goalie. Oh, and there we have it. First goal of the game.
Pick the ball off around the goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Nice positioning.
And there, it looked like it was Joe Crooks there who scored that one. Number 6, Joe Crooks. It's really well done. Just control on the ball, quick shot, and on the pads. Just rebounds. Really nice goal there.
Coming into the second part of the first quarter. See if Waikato can respond. Make it an interesting semi-final.
Yes, I love it when the games go to shootouts, especially these semi-finals and the finals. It's just that it makes it a good game to watch. We've got Tane Kearney again entering the circle. Couldn't find anything that time. Yeah, Waikato also doing the backing around, looking for a gap. Looks like it's Keelan Stafford. Send the ball to the midfield. And now wide, young guy, Kamalo.
Young Carmelo this year played in our under-18 side down in Bay of Plenty this year.
Yes, and he's back in his Waikato gears for Māoris.
We've also got Case Goodman out there, who represented in the NHC space for Bay of Plenty. Isn't that exciting?
Yeah, because I heard the Bay of Plenty boys play second at NHC this year.
Yes, they did. It was very exciting. It's always exciting at hockey, though. Here's
No Pera Hohepa.
brothers on the ball.
Yeah,
We should be saying
Pera Hohepa kind of having a jam,
Yeah.
loses the ball.
3-on-1, decides to try.
I don't know if he's quite as good as his brother, his younger brother.
Yeah, I wonder who that person is.
Yeah. Oh, little mismatch there.
Nice change of pace by Mitch Murray. Looking for an outside pass out there to Jake.
And there you go again. Tane Kearney takes a shot. Unfortunate, back of the stick.
But a few of that this weekend, a few back of the sticks.
Yep.
Maybe just in the wrong position to let rip.
Yeah.
Defender up a bit close on them. Really good defensive work there from Jacob Baukaki. Good to see him putting that real tough pressure on to get that turnover. And then becoming the outlet down the left.
Yes. I think there was Jake Baukaki kind of having a little yarn with one of the boys from Waikato, kind of a little tussle. Yeah, because Waikato had to do a little call-up because they've had a couple injuries this weekend. They had to call up some of their old players. I don't know if he's on here at the moment, but Cam, not quite sure on the last name, but Cameron Hopping, yeah, he's out there. It's been a while since he's picked up his hockey stick. Man, nice composure here from the Tāmaki side, holding it through the back. All they look to find, Tane Kearney. Has he got what it takes? Score it. Oh, not quite, and saved there by Michael Wolf.
Just went through his pads, yes. Lucky someone had worked hard to get him behind.
Yes.
Some nice one-touch passing though by Tāmaki to move the ball at pace. There goes older brother Mark Kake.
Well, I'm surprised old Mark is wearing shin pads this time around. Usually him and his little brother Jake got no shin pads. Yeah, I think there's Jake out there. No shin pads on today.
Do they call that tough?
I think personally, I think it's a comfortability thing. I think it's a lot comfortable having no shin pads.
Until you get hit by a ball, right?
Yes, yes.
And it's not so comfortable.
Yeah. Good pick up there by Ben Cooper. Sends a ball through. It's touched out by Tāmaki.
Maybe we could hold on to the ball, have a little bit more composure instead of trying to thread the needle when that actual pass isn't a 100% pass. But it's really good to see the flair, right? Billy going through there.
Good pick up there. Waikato, unfortunate, turned over again.
Tāne on the ball again.
Bradley Hardigan out there, having a go at the halves.
It's good to see Bradley coming back every year, repping for Waikato money.
Yes. Billy holding the ball, slowing the game down. I really like Billy's style of hockey. It's very composed. Oh, unfortunate there by
sometimes very unpredictable that you don't expect him to pull out all these,
flashy
skills.
Yeah, these flashy moves, eh? They say you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but Billy Miskimmins, he can be taught new tricks. He's got it all.
Nice little touch tackle in there, little reach over the top.
No bit of Hoipa taking it quick, looking to find someone forward. No one there, so he sends it back. Oh, Liam Williamson on the ball, sending it out wide. Just mistrapped there by Mark Kake.
Couple of quick substitutions out there for Waikato in the defence. People having to scramble back there.
Here we go, another opportunity. Oh, not quite. Slow the play down by hitting the foot. It's quite a smart way of doing it. Just let it hit your foot, slow the play down, don't let them get any momentum.
Time and Iverson on the ball, looking for some options. Umpire pulling it back to reset. Interesting call.
Yeah, looked like it was on the mark. Yeah. Ball was stopped.
Go the other way, we're going outlet to the right to Jordan Thomas.
Skipper. Oh, unfortunate touch there from Joe Crooks.
Counting down the first quarter, 20 seconds to go. Up and overhead. Probably not where he wanted it to go, to be fair.
Just taking it quick there, Ty. Someone Iverson. Oh, just missed it on the hooter. That was a good start there from...
First quarter.
Yes. Even though, Tāmaki is up, Waikato is still doing really good on defence, also getting opportunities in their goal and that circle.
Big brother looks like he's getting a bit tired there. Coming off.
Yeah, well, it looks like that's a lot of people today. The body's slowly getting fatigued. You're going to have to do a lot of rotations there. You might even need to change the striker substitutions to 2 minutes rather than 3.
Number 17, Samuel Hewitt, Sammy, better known as Sammy, coaching the Tāmaki team this year and player coaching.
Oh, yes.
So we're just getting some highlights here. A nice little touch over the baseline that we talked about.
Yep. And the PC.
Nice.
Good save by Flynn Krofsky there.
Nice Nice little movement into the circle by Tāne, shot on, nice little first shot, and the pick up on our first goal.
Yes, that finish from Joe Crooks. It's just good to get on those pads. Just those rebounds it's an important thing to have. It's just being able to get on the rebounds and just finish it again.
So we just got our second half starting. Waikato starting with the ball again.
Second quarter, I believe. Yep.
Second quarters are always exciting, especially if there's only one goal in it.
Yes.
One team's going to want to come back and score first.
Oh, unfortunately.
It's a lack of connection by Tāmaki.
Oh, Billy trying to do the one touch, but read well by Nopera Hoipa there. Got Mitch Murray looking for someone up front. Doesn't quite find it.
Sam calling back of the stick. That nice little, not so great pass that we thought was great.
Yep.
Umpire ruled against us there. We thought it was a good little, give and go. And
Keelan Stafford throwing a bomb right over halfway. Oh, and it's been rewarded to Waikato. You're going to have a go at this circle. Ah, not quite.
Waikato are really needing to put some numbers up there with them. Tāmaki have got more numbers in the defence. Probably going to create more turnovers in that space.
Looks like, is it a bit of a rough tackle there? That Case Goodman gets sent off. Looks like it was a green card there. So watch the pushing. It's going to be a hard game today.
Tāmaki really starting to stretch their pitch early from the defence.
Oh, great one touch. Here's Billy Miskimin here looking, no one in front of him. He's got Carter Davies to connect. Oh, not quite.
You could just feel that, couldn't you?
Yes.
Just about there. Still a lot of work to be done by both teams in this space to really dominate.
Looks like Waikato's actually holding a lot of position at the start of this quarter. Holding it strong here. Keelan Stafford, a good little jink there. Feeds it in. Not quite. Looks like it was a little deflection off the Tāmaki defence.
No Harley Cooper here this year. It's very different for us not to be hearing that loud voice out there.
Yes, you can hear him from the turf, old Harley.
Got young Hayden Hartley in the goal for Tāmaki.
Yep. And same again, some more fresh legs for the A team. Big bomb there by Big Ben Cooper.
Nicely taken down by Mitch Murray. Nice and controlled and composed with the outlet with Mark on the outside.
Looking to link up with Joe Crooks there. Found him there. Let's get a shot away. Goes for two. Oh, not quite. Great defense from the Waikato defense there.
A huge shout out to Tāmaki Makaurau in terms of hosting this tournament. They've done a great job this weekend.
Yes, because it's also been played at the ACG school there.
Strathallan.
Yeah, Strathallan, that's the one. Got Mitch Mars taking a shot. Not quite. Yeah, because seeing Keelan Stafford in the fullback Freeman place today, or this tournament, he's usually there attacking right half with Keelan Stafford. Here we go again, Tāmaki looking to penetrate the circle.
You have a little bit of knowledge in that space, don't you, young T? Because you played with them last year.
Yes. They're really nice, respectful side there, Waikato men's team. Good people.
Mark Kaki just a little bit happy about that call, or maybe just what he did for himself in terms of putting the ball over the baseline.
Bit of a loose ball picked up by Billy Miskimmins. Finds someone up high. Great ball. Bradley Hardigan picks up, finds across. Oh, not quite by Big Ben Cooper.
Captain out there having a few words to talk to his team in terms of that. Got young Grayson Maynard Poto on the field. His dad, Abe, a huge stalwart of Māori hockey from the Defence Force, currently in the Navy. There's young Grayson. It's great to see him back playing Māori hockey. Hasn't been here for a few years.
It looked like there was a nice flat pass backhand, surprisingly, from old Nopira Uepa. Sending a nice flat backhand, but unfortunately couldn't quite connect with the striker. Yeah, Waikato bringing it up. Great overhead. The Waikato side's been pretty strong with their overheads, pretty good placement. There's a couple rough ones. Yeah, they're really good with their overheads, the Waikato side.
Tāmaki able to break the play down back in that defensive space and come out quite nicely and compose with some outlets. They're not really working too hard to get numbers forward with the ball, though. They're still carrying the ball a little bit further, looking for their connection passes.
I think that's what would count these last two games, the semis and the finals. You got to let that ball do the work, because the body's gonna die out, and if you try to keep running, hey, my pull muscle will start cramping up.
What game are we at now, Tioranga? How many have you played? 3 or 4?
I played this morning. It was my 4th game, semi.
It's tough ask, isn't it, at these tournaments? However, we've got a nice ball going down the left here out to Jake. Just unfortunately didn't get control of it. It's gone over the baseline. Looking forward to seeing him getting a couple of those balls and having a go on the circle.
Yes,
very exciting.
That's the good thing with the Kake boys. As soon as they hit their circle, they're real deadly. It's not like they love to take a shot. No matter who's there, they're going to take it.
Here goes Mitch.
Oh, it just bounced into their bottom right corner.
And he's caught at the back of the stick.
Oh, that's a good read by the umpire there. Couldn't quite see it from here.
It's happening in the background, and there was no way that was the back of the stick. But hey, umpire's call. Mitch has sort of just taken it on the chin. Okay, I'll take it. Hasn't really opposed it too much. That's a good sign, really, isn't it? In terms of the goalkeeper the umpire may have got that call just right when you haven't got a player having a go.
Yeah.
Skip pass out there to the far left. Nice movement up and over.
It's the replay. Oh, it's arguably could have turned that call around to maybe, awarded to be a goal. Yeah.
50-50.
Here we go, Mitch Murray again. He's going to take another one. Oh, is it a good play here to find a goal? Oh, well connected.
Well responded by Tāmaki Makaurau, coming back, keeping their composure and just opening them up a little bit there.
I don't think old Mitch Murray was happy about that call, so he had to do something about it. The turnover, finds a striker, connects with Joe Crooks and Jake Belkaki out there. Jake with the finish. Some good hockey. It's pass, shoot. It's very clean.
Looks like up 2-0 into the second quarter with 6 and a bit minutes to go. Game's never over though, right?
Yes.
Never
know when anyone could score. Beyond the last minute or last second.
Peter trying to figure out where he placed the ball just then between his own feet. Still putting some pressure on that centre mid there.
Him and his old teammate Carter Davies going at it.
Quentin Smith back on the field. Oh, look at that. Very happy coach there. Sam Hewitt was, oh no, he's gone back to serious mode. Straight away from happy to serious. So Sam Hewitt will be taking the junior Māori men's team for the 2026 space. So possibly New Zealand Heritage and one of the other fixtures that are coming forward. So that's really exciting.
Yes, because I've seen him last year. He was with the Pacifica side, right? Yeah, the PI boys. Find out wide. Down the line, sends it. Picked up by Waikato.
Joe Crook's on the ball. Nice little pass through there. I do like the way that Tāmaki Makaurau throw the ball towards goal and put the defence under pressure.
Yep.
You know,
Oh, speaking of pressure. Okay, Mark finding Taimana. Little dump pass. Good roll there by Taiman Iverson. Connects back with Mark Kaki. Oh, and it's just gone over the sideline. It's got to be quite hot out there for Bradley Hardigan. Hopefully he's got some sunscreen on for the no hair out there, protecting him from the sun.
He tripped over himself. Tie your ball, yours. Tie outside. All yours, shorty. Nice, please.
Waikato still retaining possession. Long corner there. Billy Miskimen on the ball. Nice and calm out of the defence there by Tāmaki. It's a one touch out too.
Little floated pass by Joe Crooks, linking up with Nopera Hoipa. Nopera Hoipa looking to enter the circle. Can he get a shot away, find someone? Not quite. Tāmaki win the ball back again. Look to push it to their backs.
Three minutes left in the quarter. It would be really great to see Waikato put a ball on the goal before the half.
Yes, make it an interesting game.
Yes. Down deep down that corner, they've got some support, Tāmaki. All the girls over there obviously just finished their game, coming over there. Tāmaki A girls coming into support. Keelan Stafford doing a little bit of a roll, but unfortunately rolled into the stick there of Thomas, I think it was.
A lot of bodies flying everywhere on the ground. At Taiman Iverson just there. Just get bumped off the ball, I think, by Bradley Hardigan.
Liam passing the ball forward there to Quentin. We'll put that down to a good little touch pass forward there.
Taiman Iverson, good skills. Can he finish? Not quite. Ben Cooper with the good tackle there.
What was really great to see was Billy just held off, didn't rush in on that tackle, and allowed the striker to think he had some space and
that's where the
position, right?
That's where the experience comes in.
Oh, right.
Most of us, the young guys, we tend to rush in all the time, hoping to get us stuck in there on the ball. There you go, Waikato back up the front. Couldn't quite connect with Bradley Hardigan there.
Good block tackle there by Quentin.
Yes.
Three people around Norpeter there.
Crunch, Carter Davies, can have a go. Just has to keep it on his stick there. Tough call there for the Waikato boys.
Keep being a bit nice there. Player wasn't really retreating five. Could have been very close. Oh, here comes a card, we think. Or some conversation. Nope, some conversation. Well managed there by the umpires.
Looks like that's Mercer Davis got sent off. Must have been a bad tackle. Was it Ben Cooper?
Good shot. Shot that needs to be saved by the goalkeeper because it's going directly at goal. Case doing a little bit of a spin out there on the far right, delivering the ball in. quite exciting if we get to see Case open up his stride a bit. He's very quick with the
Yes, he's a
ball.
really fast guy, old Case Goodman.
Nice overhead to the outlet.
Keelan Stafford tries to connect.
Bradley putting his hand up, acknowledging that was a great pass in there, and he was just a little bit slow on the uptake.
Jordan Thomas on ball, sending it out wide to Jacob Belkaki. Sends one right over the turf.
Imagine if they brought in that rugby rule, the 20-40 rule in hockey with an overhead. Wouldn't that be a bit exciting?
That'll be an interesting one. Because I know there's a lot of hockey players out there that can throw it that far. But I think they need to, maybe they could add that in, and it has to maybe bounce in before it goes out. Hey,
Yes, that would be.
as soon as it goes out on the full, it doesn't count.
So we're just coming into the bottom of the second quarter, coming into the half. They get a nice 5-minute break. Wonder what the coaches are going to be saying to their players. What do you think there, Tioranga?
I see your Scott Wolf out there for the Waikato side. I wouldn't say it wouldn't be a negative way. I feel like he'll keep it positive because they are doing quite well. Yeah, it's 2-0 down, but they're actually holding up quite well, getting a lot of taking opportunity in the goal. Just can't quite finish. The Tāmaki side still looking strong, as always.
Some replays, one of the PCs. A lot of semi-finals being played today. So Wairiki this morning, your own team played this morning
Yep.
and took a nice 3-0 win.
You get like minimum
4-0 versus Takitimu.
Takitimu. So Takitimu playing for bronze tomorrow, and they'll be playing against the team that doesn't take the win in this space today.
Yep.
And you'll be playing against one of these teams tomorrow. Tioranga, looking excited
Ah,
for
yes,
that.
yeah, quite excited for their final tomorrow. It's gonna be a good game.
Wairiki and Tāmaki always a good.
Good matchup. Last year, Waikato kicked out Wairiki from the finals, and they've done the same to Tāmaki, and the year before in Palmerston North,
Yes.
they kicked them out the final. It's a good thing with Waikato, you never know. They're like an underdog team. They're an underdog team.
There's still a lot of hockey left to play. They're going to be right there for the second half.
Yeah, we'll be right back. Have a little break until we're back on.
Quitting was never an option. Exhausted. This passion is never exhausted. And you cannot stop me. Nah, you cannot stop me.
I had to switch up the flow, show you the way that it go. God is good, but his life is hard. But it gets better when you grind it smart. I'm just really trying to leave a mark. We tired of being who they say we are. That's the baton, we gon' take it far. Always been real, we don't fake it all. Tired of 9 to 5, just make enough to survive. Only living on the weekends. You really thinking that's why I'm alive? Busting out the scenes, time to live my dreams, do the things deep inside of me. This life, it continues with fighting me, but I don't have quitting inside of me. I will not jump in these vices they throw at me, talking to God in the summer.
And we're back for the second half of the game between Waikato and Tāmaki. Tāmaki leading 2-0 at the moment.
Any predictions of what you think is going to happen in the second half?
It's really hard to tell because, like what we've said earlier, it could be anyone's game. Anyone can score at any time. Tāmaki holding it at the back, Quinton Smith. Great ball.
Just heard a comment out there, oh, I'm not that fast. They're still young, aren't they? Waikato now got the ball, just holding onto the ball on the back in the round, moving the ball. Both teams quite happy to hold the ball back in the back four.
Yes, and quite comfortably too.
Yes. Not really got any pressure on them at the moment.
Yeah, I would like to see which of the two teams is first to put a lot of pressure on their back four to actually give a good full press. So it looks like they're sitting in between a three-quarter and a half-court press there, both teams.
Waikato might want to be the first team to do that since they're down 2-0. They might need to put that additional pressure in there.
It's also a tough rule to call, is the stick shielding.
Yes, it's been one of the most exciting rules to come into the game, don't you think, in terms of stick shield. And sometimes it's not necessarily.
Little breakaway here for Tāmaki. Couldn't quite connect to TJ Hurunui.
See, TJ's still got his mullet.
Yeah, surprised he's not letting it fly today or this weekend. Gee, I think it was the battle between him and Kalan to see who's got the most ruthless mullet out there.
Good to see Kalan Mason back playing for Wairiki this year. Missed the tournament last year.
Mitch Murray again, looking to enter the circle. Trying to get a shot off. Connects. Just shoots over the top.
Joe Crooks just watched that go over the top of his head. There's nothing you could do about that. Wasn't even tall enough to pull it down.
Looks like we've got Billy Muskimmins who's dropped back to the back four. Moved out the midfield, dropping into that back four. I think it's just for a little bit more composure back there.
Liam Williams on the ball again.
Seems to get it back, Liam Williamson. Still on the ball.
Tāmaki throwing the ball with a little bit more intent. Could be seeing some exciting things going into this third quarter.
I think that's one of the strong things with the Tāmaki side. They got really good ball speed. Don't know what happened there. The ref didn't know quite what to call, so he just let it play on. Scott Wolf, he's been involved with the Heritage side this year. He's gone over to Australia, over to Melbourne.
A little bit distracted there, sorry about that, Tioranga. I'm coming back.
Yeah.
Trying to find some commentators. Anyone out there wanting to become an aspiring commentator in this space over the weekend and supporting the local Gecko Productions crew?
Yes.
Just like we are. Hey, Tioranga, first timers.
Just got the call up yesterday. See if I could see if I can commentate one of the games today.
So any aspiring commentators out there that want to give this space a go, we encourage you to come and talk to the crew, to Mike and to Moana. We've just encouraged young Rani from Tāmaki to come and have a conversation. Let's see if we can get a few more. However, let's get back to this game.
Tāmaki again holding through the back. Stuck in the corner. Not quite. They seem to find a good pass to the line. Oh, must have had a foot there.
Nice little deceptive sweep down the line there by Ryan McConnell.
Cameron hopping. Good carry there by the Calling today.
Colin.
Yeah. See, it's been a while since I've seen old Cameron on the hockey turf.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice little turnover there in the midfield. Ball straight forward to Joe Crocs coming into the circle. Got a couple of options in
Pass
there.
and
There's our
again.
third goal.
So Mitch Mars had to redeem himself.
On his forehand.
Yes, on the forehand this time.
Just like to say, we'd also had Jacob Baukaki out there floating around on the left post. So a couple of options there for Tāmaki going into the circle. Nice little carry by Joe Crooks. Head up, nice little pre-scanning, and ball put away.
Straight through the legs of the goalie.
Waikato are going to have to consider some, maybe adding some additional tactics in here to try and create some more opportunities for them going forward. They do break forward, but they don't break forward in numbers. Maybe they can get some connections going across the pitch.
Yeah, I think they might need to mix it up with the overheads. So you see that they like throwing them there to play maybe some small games to connect up and have more people up the front. Yeah. Good cross ball there.
Nice little battle in there with Quentin Smith, getting in front of the striker there to win the ball. So Tāmaki can come out. Tāmaki really trying to push that ball forward early.
Good job. Well done. Over. Under. Dangerous.
It looks like old Jay Kake wasn't quite 5 there, looking to intercept that overhead.
Nice movement of the ball right across the pitch to the right half for Waikato there. They just need someone to pop into those little spaces to come down the sideline so they're more connected. They've a little bit of a
Waikaki with the
layout.
turnover, the one-hander pass over to Joe Crooks, looking to connect. Finds a shot. Oh, very well done there by Joe Crooks, putting it onto his backhand into the space, and just scoring it.
Some nice encouraging words there from the sideline from Sam. Something along the lines of love it.
So just that pass there by Mark Kake, their one-handed backhand, sends it straight down the line.
Tāmaki actually throwing the ball faster, or with more connection, knowing where their players are, just giving it a go. You can really hear some more communication out there happening, like stay in it, you know. Good comms from the Tāmaki boys. Looking at wanting to get some turnover early and then go forward really quickly. Maybe putting some things into practice for the final tomorrow.
Yes. TJ Hirinui looking down the line, connects quite well with Mark Kake there. Seems to put it on the foot before it goes out.
The umpire signalling very clearly, foot over the baseline, so we're on a long corner. Oh no, free hit from outside the circle. Nice little skip pass out there to the right half.
Quinton Smith couldn't quite get all the way through, got past a couple, but didn't get quite through.
Yeah, Bradley
Carter Davies.
helping out the defence there, doing a little jab tackle in there.
Great tackle there by Quinton Smith, mid-air tackle. It's a hard one to do because if you connect with that stick, ooh, looks like it'll be a card. Hey, that was a really good tackle there by Quinton Smith.
Come. Oh. No, that's good option. Our midfield.
A little bit too much length on that overhead. Didn't connect with anyone going forward. Liam stepping up to take a 16. Tāmaki setting themselves up early in front of the ball.
Marissa Davis connecting with Jordan Thomas. Good little post-ups there, drawing in those midfielders.
Nice collect by Jacob Balkaki.
Very good, just kept it into.
Take it over.
Good ball down the middle.
Vicky just telling boys to settle out there. She
Yep.
saw what happened, gave the early whistle.
Timon Iverson on the ball, looking to feed it in. Still there for Makaki. Just took a bit too much heat off that one.
Midfield to midfield transfer. Jordan Thomas winning the ball, and he's quickly taking advantage of that. Nicely retrieved again by Norpeta.
Oh, how forward. Oh, that could have been a
appealing,
PC there.
Tāmaki appealing for a foot inside the circle.
The umpire's taking it to the one just outside, the first one.
TJ on the ball in the circle. Deemed dangerous by the referee there.
Just a little bit too high there. Nice little one layer overhead. It's Bradley Hardigan. Finds Ben Cooper on the inside. Ben Cooper with the roll, tries to connect. Good crunch there by Tāmaki, but Ben Cooper comes out with the ball. Good carry, finds Billy Miskimmins. It looks like they might have something going for them here. Holds it back to the backs.
I'd like to see Waikato try and go forward and connect some, 45-degree passes going forward and put a little bit more pressure into that defensive space for Tāmaki. They're letting Tāmaki off with just, resetting.
Yes.
Sometimes it's nice when they're under the pump to keep them under the pump.
Yeah. Liam Williamson got it in the corner.
Nice little win there by Waikato.
At the foot there. It's a tough spot to be in, those far corners. You just easily get crunched there. You got to try and find a way to get out. Ryan McConnell kicks a backhand through.
Quick on the whistle there, you think that's what?
Yes, he could have played a little bit of advantage there
That could
for Brad.
that could have unfolded there a little bit.
Well, let's hope
A bit of a joke there between the two. Look, between the umpire and Brad. So let's see what Waikato have got stored for
I
us.
think Sam, the umpire, I think he was just feeling a little bit sorry because he knew himself. He probably could have played it on, just as we see here. Yeah, Bradley Hardigan picks the ball up. There's the apologies there.
With a big smile that Sam can give. Waikato's first PC in the match?
I think so. Oh, this might be the second one. I think they might have had one earlier in the
first corner?
first half, yes.
It'll be exciting to watch.
Yeah. Ben Cooper off the one.
Nice save by the goalkeeper there, directly at the goalkeeper's hand. Nice height for goalkeepers. Good save.
Taken quick by Michael Wolf, but intercepted again by Liam Willingham.
Carter Davies winning that little battle there between Liam. Smiling away at Liam. Some really good banter this week.
Across, yeah.
Not five. Not five. Being penalised early. Tāmaki doing a little bit of a protest there. Unfortunately, you're not five.
Yeah. Because, yeah.
You want your umpire to be quick on the whistle at times, and that's probably one of those times.
Got another PC here, Waikato. Hopefully they can put this one away. Maybe those bottom pockets might be open for them. Yeah, that Ben Cooper, he's got a good flick on him. And we've got Bradley Hardigan on the second. Yeah.
Back to the first bracket.
Great save again by Hayden Hartley, goalie.
unlucky there in Norpeta. He looked at the umpire like, yes, I don't necessarily agree with that one. It's a nice little around the body little reverse tackle.
I had a bit of height on it.
Going to use your 3D skills, you've really got to go through the spaces, the
Yes.
open spaces.
Bradley hard again. Still going. Can he connect? Not quite, takes the long corner. Some good defense here from the Tāmaki side.
Young
Holding out both
Atiaho not
pieces.
playing today. He's got a very bruised eye there, puffy.
Yes, he was telling me that also possibly broken nose.
Oh,
See, the eye is quite, it's swelled up. But he's out there helping out with the coaching today with Scott Wolf.
Carter Davies limping a little bit there. Might be taking himself off the pitch now. Doesn't look too good.
Well,
Hopefully he's okay in that space.
he hurt his ankle in one of the games yesterday. Same game where Aki Wateaho got injured.
So we've run down the third quarter there, and Tāmaki have managed to put a couple more balls in the goal. 4 goals is still achievable.
Still possible.
Still achievable. And there's been some high-scoring games this weekend in the men's space.
Yeah, the ball, if you let the ball do the moving, it'll be nice and quick. Get the ball from one end to the other. It'll only take 5
What
seconds.
would be your words of advice to the Waikato team coming out into this fourth quarter?
I would say, because they had the same in Palmerston North. They played Tāmaki in the semi-finals. So maybe kind of bringing back the intensity and being hungry again to knock Tāmaki out. The big dogs, Tāmaki Makaurau, yeah. So I think they just need to find a bit of fight in there. Yeah, they're up 4. Tāmaki's up 4-0, but hey, they can still do it. The Waikato side.
This lovely individual goal by Joe. Had a nice forward ball. Nice turnover there. Some of these highlights are really highlight the great hockey that we produce at this tournament individually.
Yeah, it was just that unfortunate one for Bradley Hardigan there again.
Definitely working hard and trying to find us some presenters there, aren't we? Tioranga, we're pointing at everyone, like telling these people.
Yeah, we
Also
get all
trying
the
to concentrate
players.
on the hockey.
Trying to get all the players to come in and commentate a game here and there.
Well, some commentation would be fantastic to listen to on this side of the pitch, wouldn't it, instead of on the pitch?
Yeah.
Coming into the fourth quarter, just getting ready to get underway. The screeching starting whistle. Tāmaki starting with the ball in the fourth quarter.
See if Waikato can put away some goals this quarter.
Just saw a beautiful view of the whole complex. It looks really lovely. You don't really get to see it from this level, from eye level, but it's really lovely to see it when it does show.
Yeah, the bird's eye view. Up there with the drone. Oh, here we go. Waikato slowly putting a bit more pressure on their back forward.
Jordan Thomas coming forward just to clean that up a little bit.
Zane Kearney cuts in, still going, finds the foot there. Mitch Mars back on the ball. Feeds it in. Not quite good clean up there from the Waikato defence. Cooper sends one, doesn't quite find anyone. Looks like Case Goodman is going to get there. Not quite. Yeah, just as we were talking about earlier, Case Goodman, he's got the speed to get there.
I think Jordan was thinking, we'll just follow the ball a little bit here. And then thought he'd better put his wheels on as well.
Just this view, eh?
What a beautiful...
Something you can't see, the human eye can't see.
Yes.
Quinton Smith there, looking for something. Picks up Ben Cooper. Tackle there by Zane Kearney. TJ Hurunu now on the 5. Once again, Waikato with the big overhead. Case Goodwin takes a shot. Oh, just too wide. Well, that's more like it, just getting a bit more hungrier in the circle, just taking those early shots as soon as you hit that line.
Case may be making a decision on his own. He needs to step up his game for this last quarter and show what he does, what he can provide out there.
Pick up there by Cameron Hopping. Fortunately, looks like it was
Just an accidental little hit there on the wrist coming through. Probably going to come to the sideline and get some ice. Quinton is. He's going to tough it out there.
It's a different call there. Looks like might have lost the ball and pushed him, but Noperowepa here finding Joe Crooks on their baseline. Just the patience in there. That's unfortunate. Looks like it might have just been on the inside, but it looks like Waikato is arguing it that it was outside. Hopefully we'll see it on the replay. Here it is here. Oh, it's a tough one to call. I think, yeah, there might have been just inside or on the line. Ben Cooper.
I wonder if it was called more for the dangerous, ball that wasn't necessarily trapping the ball into the air and just to rule out the danger straight away. Umpires decided too much danger in there, award the PC. It's come off the defence, been put in the air. Before someone hits a big old swipe at it, we'll just control it. Agreeable? Not agreeable?
Yeah.
We're not sitting in her mind, are we?
Yeah. Got Mitch Muzz and Jordan Thomas on the top. Mitch Murray goes for the flick. Great save there by Flynn Krosky. Bit of collision there between Cameron Hopping and Mark Kaki.
Ball's been played. Maybe a little bit too quick to get underway. Maybe should have just settled it a little bit.
Yeah, now the game's really started to get intense.
Nice little outlet pass across the D there. Waikato's got some numbers up there. See what they can do with that.
To Lucas Dobie is what they call him. He's a hard guy to beat right now. Finds the foot. Billy feeds it in. Ben Cooper on the back end doesn't quite connect with the ball.
Yes.
Been a couple of those this tournament, the swing and misses. Yeah, there it is. The game's starting to
Get a bit heated.
Yep.
Bit of body language change.
Players ain't taking it the right way.
Waikato wanting to finish with a hiss than a roar. Which would be great. Billy Miskimen coming in.
I think the Tāmaki side doesn't really need to feed into it too much. They just, as long as they stay composed, they're up 4-0.
Nice little steal there by Mark. Feeding forward to Joe and then going forward to help him in that space.
Good link up there. Oh, and looks like it was Joe Crooks again. Just coming in for the little touch to make sure it goes in.
Lovely quick little outlet from Mark down here on the left and then supporting the ball carrier. Joe going along the baseline knowing that Mark's coming with him.
Yep. It's replay here. Carries it to their baseline. Looks to connect with old Mark Kaki. And there again. Just had to make sure it went in. Looks like he stole old Mark's goal there. They could have been Mark's, but he just had to make sure it went in.
Collective opportunity to finish off. Tāmaki going up 5-0 here. Still a lot of game time left. There's still 8 minutes left, and we would love to see Waikato even just peg back 1 or 2.
Yep. So they definitely can. They've had the opportunities in the circle with the PCs and shots on goal. Timon Iverson's back on. Oh, no touch there by Jake Balkaki.
There's a Jake Balkaki special right there, Whānau.
That's some Beautiful shot right there. It's a good skill. Really good skill. No
midfield
tripping.
and midfield
Straight into it.
transference, straight ball. And this is our great replay. Great ball here, fed by Taimana. Jake's already swinging, mid-swinging as the ball's being delivered.
Beautiful shot there, and also to the far side of the goal.
Tāmaki very excited on that one, and well deserved.
William Skimmins, ready to have his go.
Tāmaki not necessarily just winding down the clock, they're just going to provide some evidence in the attacking goal circuit for themselves. They're not looking too much under pressure in the defence, they've still got a lot of time on the ball. Umpire pulling the ball back, just reminding Liam it's a 16, not a 25.
Oh, straight to the Waikato players there. Bit of a tangle up there. Surprised the umpire didn't call anything there. Just letting it play on. Oh, we got Sam Hewitt back on the field. Was this his first time on the field?
I think it's a cameo show for the last 7 minutes maybe, giving a couple of boys a little bit of a rest.
Quite slippery, but he still got it.
There by Liam.
Good skill there by Liam Williamson. Pick up there by
Mello.
Yep.
Young man goes to school. Hamilton boys, I believe.
Yes, quite a few of them from Hamilton boys and the Waikato team.
Interesting to watch this replay and see what the umpire actually seen in the space. She's awarded a PC, I think, to TJ.
Didn't quite see what happened there.
Tāmaki again at the top of the D. Waikato calling somebody else back into the defensive space. Like, we need one more back here, boys.
Oh, I think I see it there. It might have been their first tackle. It was a reverse sweep tackle and just made connection with the stick. Didn't quite hit the ball. It looks like
a new person at the top.
yeah, bit of a change up here.
Liam, second bracket. Be interesting to see what they do here. Got Sam floating out here on the left.
Oh, a bit of a change up here. Great deflection, touch in. It doesn't quite go. Open goal, but couldn't quite finish.
I'm sure the coaches from Waikato were watching that one.
Yeah, it's a new one that we've seen this weekend.
As you said earlier in the piece there, Tioranga, many options. It's whether or not they're going to pull them out. Mitch Murray again on the ball. Nice composure. Whoops.
Don't really want to
going well.
give away all your moves in the PCs, eh?
Want to keep something up your sleeve for the final.
Didn't quite come off right there for Carmelo.
Tāmaki all game, you seem to have that just additional person in support to get, create just some outlets for them so there's not so much tension on the ball. It's been really nice to watch their composure. They're able to move the ball from left to right again, right to left.
Good connection there between Quinton Smith and Nopera Hoipa. Nopera Hoipa looking to chuck it on his backhand maybe. Oh, not quite. Yeah, early in the weekend he scored him a top bins backhand shot there. Oh, great tackle there.
Still after it looks like.
Looks like he's looking to go for another goal here. On the backhand, not quite. Great tackle there. A bit of complaints out there from
free hit and wanting it early this time.
Looks like they're all good with holding it in the back line. Don't have to stress too much about scoring any more goals. But we never know, they might keep going for more.
You always want more. More goals are fun. Nice little 3D skills there by Tāmaki to retain possession and give an outlet down there to the bottom left corner to Sammy, who looks like he's just going to hold it up in that bottom corner.
Just tune up a bit of time in that corner.
3 minutes left in the match. It would be really nice to see Waikato just put the heat on for the last 3 minutes. And have a
Might
go.
be here with the speed on Case Goodman. Oh, not quite. Good tackle there by Grayson. Yeah, Billy Muskimmins opening up the field. Looks to connect with Carmelo. Can do something with it. Looking. Oh, just off the keeper there, off the pads.
And they're bringing it forward again. Nice little touch there by Jacob Belkake.
Jordan Thomas with the backhand. I think the umpire called danger for that one. Good defense here from the Tāmaki side.
They managed to be able to get numbers around the ball when they don't have the ball. So the person on the ball hasn't got time to get their head up and pre-scan or get a nice little outlet to somebody else. They've done it really well all game. And Waikato have done the same at times, but just not as effective as Tāmaki in today's match.
Yes.
Nice little one touch down the line there on the right half. Taimana coming in to clean up.
Oh, good skills there by Taimana.
Connecting with his mate Jordan Thomas. And then just giving it away.
Looks like it's connected to the foot there. Waikato still got time. Minute 17 to go. Hopefully they can get something going for them just in this last minute. Oh, picked up there by TJ. Not quite, he's still going. Doesn't quite.
Good effort there by TJ. Good to see them running right down to the last second of the game.
Yep.
Liam's had a good game today, some good clean up at the back. Willie wouldn't be happy with not picking up that ball there in the middle.
Yep, Tāmaki might be able to squeeze something in here. They look like they're really keen to get another one
Jacob pushing
in
himself
these last
forward.
seconds. Oh, it's gone way over the back fence. Oh, Mitch Muzz throws a bomb. But it looks like they might have to
Running down the last few seconds.
hold the clock here for now. Or they're gonna, looks like they're calling it there. Never mind, calling it there. Well, good game there. Yeah, the score doesn't determine the game. Waikato was still good, had a lot of opportunities in that attacking circle, just didn't quite finish it. But the Tāmaki side just too clean with it up the front, putting away 6-0.
Looking forward to tomorrow.
Yes, it looks like it's a match-up between Tāmaki and Waiariki tomorrow. And playing for 3rd and 4th will be Waikato and Takitimu.
Yes. And on that note, good outcome for Tāmaki to be playing in a home final against Waiariki tomorrow, their adversaries. It's going to be exciting, that match.
Yes, it will.
Today, a little bit more clinical in the attacking third for Tāmaki, ensuring that they put their goals in the back of the net. And unfortunately, Waikato just not able to get a few more connections, maybe a little bit late in the piece, but an enjoyable game overall. Everyone happy. Thank you.
Thank you.